Hello everyone, good day. Welcome back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you, and I hope you guys are enjoying your lovely day. God bless you all, and thanks a lot for tuning in today's session. Now, in this video, I have prepared a meticulously crafted 1/64 scale diorama layout, action-packed detailed scenario with a lot of figurines, obviously tons of cars from many different brands, and also some nature to bring in the realism, the effect that plays in the role to make it a realistic, complete layout. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you have any questions, which I'm sure you would, please drop them down in the comment section. I would be very helpful and I would be very thankful to you guys. Now, in terms of making a sectional layout, you guys need to remember one thing. All it requires is a base platform. Once you have that detailed scenario structured, you can place the buildings side by side with the figurines, cars, and also a ton of nature surrounding the beauty. And don't forget the backdrop, because without a backdrop, the scene is never complete. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell icon so you don't miss future adventures, because this is Diecast Domination. Let's get rolling!